Welcome back to Baby-led Weaning recipe, where we make a healthy and nutritious recipe for your babies. Today we are going to make a chickpea pancake. This recipe is perfect for babies who are starting to eat solid foods, as it's packed with protein, fiber and essential nutrients. Soak the chickpeas in water for about 7 hours. I have taken 3/4 cup of chickpea. After soaking, it should be easy to take off the skin like this. This will help you soften them and reduce the cooking time. Drain the soaked chickpeas and rinse them thoroughly. Place the chickpeas in the cooker and cover them with water. The water should be at least 2 inches above the chickpeas. Add few drops of coconut oil. Bring to 4 whistles until they are tender. Once the chickpeas are cooked well, wash in normal water and drain them. Now blend the chickpea. Add water little by little and blend until you get a smooth paste. Now, in a mixing bowl, add the chickpea paste and set aside. Now grate 1 carrot. Chop 1/4 capsicum into small pieces and chop 1 onion to small pieces. In a frying pan, heat half teaspoon of oil over medium to high heat. Add the cumin and onion. Once the onion is translucent, add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and add grated carrot. Close the lid and let it cook. Once the carrot is half cooked, add the finely chopped capsicum. You can add 2 tablespoons of water to cook the veggies soft. Reduce the heat to medium to low and cook until softened, around 4 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, add the carrot mixture to the chickpea butter along with the chopped coriander. Add 1/4 cup of water. Stir until fully combined. The consistency should be like this. Heat an iron pan over medium to high heat. When hot, add a drizzle of coconut oil, or you can use a spray oil. Add a tablespoon of butter to the pan. Use the back of your spoon to spread it out a little to make them thinner. Cook for around 3 to 4 minutes on each side. This will vary depending on the pan heat and how thin your pancake is. You want to look for sides forming brownish and your pancake should be able to be flipped easily. Remove pancakes from the pan and repeat with the remaining mixture. That's it. You have just made chickpea pancakes for your baby. This recipe is healthy and a great way to introduce new flavors and textures to your baby's plate. Your feedback and kind words mean the world to us. It's always so heartwarming to hear that our recipes are being enjoyed by loved ones. We are so grateful to have you as a part of our Weaning community. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of your future recipes. We are incredibly grateful for your support and encouragement that we receive from all of you. Your comments, likes and shares mean the world to us and we appreciate every single one. Thank you. Bye-bye.